Alright, here's a 2002 Toyota Celica GT. This is a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder motor. If you've got a Toyota, they put them in Corollas and some other models, but if you got one of these 1.8s and you're having trouble with your idle and low RPMs, if it's sluggish and just idles rough, then I'll tell you what I've done so far. I replaced this ignition coil that was missing, and it cleared that up. This is the intake manifold. I replaced the gasket. It was showing that everything was running too lean, and it looked like there was probably a gasket leak, so I replaced that, cleaned and adjusted the throttle body, and it was running yesterday, but it was running real rough, and I opened the hood and I happened to notice this hose here. It's an old hose. It doesn't leak, but it's gotten it's lost its stiffness, and whenever the car is running, it'll suck this hose closed, and this is part of the crankcase ventilation. It goes down here to the intake manifold, but it's sucking that closed, and it's causing it to not get enough circulation in there. So if you got one of these, maybe this will, and you're having the same problem, check your hoses and make sure that they're strong, they're not collapsing on you. And some of the other year models actually have a little vacuum hose that comes out back here, and that likes to fall off sometimes, so check that. A lot of times that will show all kinds of codes and faults, and you can end up replacing a lot of stuff you don't need to when that hose is off. So I'm going to replace this with a newer, stronger hose to keep that passageway open, and hopefully that'll clear it up. That's all I got.